Hey, what's happening? This is Hans the Ramen Rater coming at you with another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time, the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles. I've tried 3,000 varieties, and yeah, I'll show you what to do. Today's variety comes from the Netherlands by way of a reader named James. Thanks, dude, for shooting this over. This is Tom Kha Kai. So this is like a Thai style coconut chicken variety. And I thought, let's give it a try today. So here we are, giving it a try. I took the lid all the way off. Oops. But yeah, here's what you get. Noodle block. Seen some better days. It did travel all the way here from the Netherlands, the lands of the nether. And we're gonna dump this sachet in. Like so. You can even see like so. Yeah, you can see like so. And what I do, because I'm really good at making messes. See, I put it in a little tray just so I don't get water everywhere. And there is a fill line, so we're gonna go up to there. I'll try to place this lid back on to some degree. And we're going to give it 3 minutes. There we go. So, what's going on today? I don't know. I've been really busy today. Woke up at 3:30? I think I got up at 3:30 this morning. Started working on review stuff. That's how I do. And got a couple reviews ready. See, he sent 2 of these, which was rad, and the other one that I'm doing today, the package has 3 portions, so I was like, perfect. And edited a little bit of the, now you've probably, already seen it, the chocolate break, which is a series I've been doing with my wife. We did a Halloween episode. And we tried to find a bunch of Halloween candy varieties that involved chocolate. We did 2 that didn't involve chocolate, but man, it is hard to find just like a single Halloween candy thing these days. Everything, I mean, like up in Canada, you can go to the store, like at their Walmart, the one where the Ferraris are at. You go there, and they've got stuff. 100 candy bar box. It's ridiculous. It's just like so freaking crazy. That's a lot of, oh, there we go. That is a lot of candy bars. I really wish we got the trick-or-treaters to come to our door. That would make sense to get. But honestly, I don't think we even got one last year. It sucks. Apartments and trick-or-treaters don't go together, I guess. I don't know. I really wish it would, because that'd be fun. I think we have to find... There's a Halloween thing we're taking our kids to, but... Yeah. It's like when I was a kid, we went trick-or-treating everywhere. It was fun, you know? I grew up probably in the safest town in the United States. I grew up in Anacortes, Washington, where it's just like, it's funny. I hear people saying, like on the message boards and stuff on Facebook, saying, oh, it's gotten a lot, no, it's not as safe as it used to be, and blah, blah, blah. It's like, please, come to a metropolitan area. You'll see not safe, you know. I'm lucky not to live in one, but I've seen this place get a little more funky in the last 2 or 3 years, that's for sure. But we're in North King County, which is we're kind of like a spit away from North Seattle. So, and 2, 1. But I like it here. 10 more is nice. Okay, so we need a fork, and we're forking. Forking it. Forking it. Okay, so here's what the noodles look like. And let's give this stuff a try. I don't know if you've been noticing these videos might be a little bit quicker lately. I don't know. What was that? Interesting. And not in general like, interesting. That's kind of like, interesting kind of flavor. So let's see what we can do to this sucker. So we'll put it in the bowl. So that was a cup of instant noodles. And I mean, look how much you have there. These cups actually hold a lot of food. It's always kind of surprising to me. So I'm gonna go like this. I think I want to put in an egg, a softly boiled egg. Boiling me softly with my stove, killing the egg. It's already dead. Yeah, that was more than you needed to hear. I apologize profusely. There's some egg action for you. Other things. We've got some mung bean sprout. It's funny, this is from the Netherlands, but I'm trying to deal with it as if it were something more Southeast Asian, because that's kind of what it's supposed to be going toward. So there's some mung bean sprout. I haven't even tried this stuff yet. This is fried tofu with vegetable. And it smells kind of iffy. Just got it yesterday at the good old ranch market. The 99 ranch market. Yeah, I think one piece is enough. Let me try this stuff. It just says veggie bean curd. What? Veggie bean curd roux. R-O-O-L. Ingredients: bean curd, water chestnut, bamboo shoot, corn oil, soy sauce, sugar, and spices. And it's from, it says High Class Vegetarian, Hayward, California. Huh. Roux. R-O-O-L. I've never heard of this. I think I may have really screwed myself on this stuff. I was looking for my regular tofu puff, but yeah. Wow, I hate this. It's repulsive. Wow. Don't get that. Yeah. Wow. Some coriander. as it's called in the area where it would be considered normal. And there we go. Man, that sucks. I gotta chuck this crap. I'm not gonna eat it. My wife definitely gonna eat it, and my kids would absolutely never in a million years eat it. It's that bad. And fried onion. There. That makes me happy. So, yeah, there we are. But this stuff, oh. Yeah, I don't care for that. Anyways. Well, that was an experiment. And the noodles themselves are alright, but the experiment in getting that tofu over what I would normally get, massive failure. So anyways, check one of these out. Usually things go much better. And yeah. They're still painting the buildings out there. Crazy. And it's really windy too. They were all over the roof across the way, running around. Super windy. Insanity. Have a good one. Bye.